Now, recently, affordable housing received a major jolt in the state of Maharashtra when the state government cancelled the tenders floated by MHADA for the construction of over 33,000 low-cost houses under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. So what exactly transpired, and is there a need to relook at the affordable housing scheme? Ashwini Priyolkar has the details.
The Housing Minister Prakash Mehta did not mince his words when he announced that the tenders floated by MHADA for the construction of low-cost housing under PMAY have been cancelled.
उस टेंडर में एक मैसेज जो जाता था कि परसों से सरकार प्री कास्ट मटेरियल्स की टेक्नोलॉजी से घर बनाती थी, उसको ही प्राधान्य दिया जाएगा। अन्य लोगों के टेंडर पर 50% ही विचार किया जाएगा। यह केंद्र सरकार की प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना के अनुरूप नहीं है, इसलिए हमने उसको स्थगित करके सूचना करके इसी टेंडर को फॉलो करने के लिए सूचना दिया है।
These tenders were floated by MHADA to construct 33,510 homes for the economically weak people in Vasai, Kalyan, Thane, Kalapur and Raigad. MHADA is yet to acquire the land in some areas. Besides, the tenders favoured contractors with precast technology, and there is speculation that it was designed to favour a particular contractor. MHADA, however, denied this claim.
These are all media presumptions.
So, do you think the tender was neutral?
Yeah, it's technology neutral. We have called for in situ casting as well as precast. So anybody and everybody on the earth is welcome.
While clearly there is a difference between the state's nodal agency MHADA and the Housing Ministry, housing activists feel that there is a need to relook the entire scheme itself.
In order to stop these things, the government should initiate their own department, that is MHADA and SRA should construct the building and sell the flats to avoid such favoritism.
2 years ago, the state government had promised to build 11,000 affordable homes, but till now, not a single home is ready. The need of the hour is to streamline the process, or else government's dream of housing for all will continue to remain a dream. In Mumbai with Prasad Kathe and camera person Kunal Thare, Ashwini Priyolkar, NDTV.